Tip 1. Start simple. Begin with basic projects like pillowcases or simple garments. Choose easy-to-work with fabrics like cotton and avoid stretchy or slippery materials until you gain more confidence. Tip 2. Invest in quality tools. Having the right tools makes a huge difference. Invest in a good sewing machine, sharp fabric scissors, quality thread, and a variety of needles. Trust me, it's worth it. Tip 3. Learn basic stitches. Master a few basic stitches like the straight stitch, zigzag stitch, and backstitch. These are the foundation of most sewing projects and will cover a wide range of needs. Tip 4. Use patterns. Patterns are your best friend, especially when starting out. They provide a roadmap to follow and help you understand how different pieces come together to create a finished product. Tip 5. Practice proper fabric cutting. Always cut your fabric on a flat surface and use sharp scissors or a rotary cutter. Ensure your fabric is smooth and free of wrinkles before cutting to avoid mistakes. Tip 6. Pin and press. Pin your fabric pieces together before sewing to keep them in place. Also, pressing your seams as you go with an iron will give your project a professional finish and make sewing easier. Tip 7. Take your time. Sewing requires patience. Take your time to ensure your stitches are even and your seams aligned perfectly. Rushing can lead to mistakes and frustration. Tip 8. Keep learning. There's always something new to learn in sewing. Watch tutorials, read sewing blogs, and join online forums or local sewing groups to expand your knowledge and skills. Tip 9. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of the learning process. Don't be discouraged if things don't turn out perfectly at first. Learn from your errors and keep practicing. Tip 10. Have fun and be creative. Sewing is an art form. Experiment with different fabrics, colors, and patterns. Let your creativity shine and enjoy the process of creating something unique and handmade.
This is it for this video. Please allow me to quickly introduce you to my super useful product for sewers.
Discover the ultimate sewing companion with 600 sewing projects. Packed with a massive collection of sewing projects, this easy-to-navigate PDF is your gateway to endless creativity. Simply click on a category, whether it's bags, clothes, bedding, toys, headwear, or an extensive variety of other plans like accessories, zippers, plushies, quilts, scarves, and a lot more. Each of the 600 projects contains a detailed explanation on how to make them, with lots of images, materials, step-by-step instructions, and even videos. Visuals for every project help you quickly decide what to add to your to-do list. With built-in notes pages, you can easily save and organize your favorite projects for future sewing sessions. 600 sewing projects, the only sewing resource you will need. Transform your sewing experience today. Link is in the description of this video.